and welcome to Speak.Podcast by Sunbeam School Balia, where voices meet wisdom and stories inspire life. Today we have a very special guest among us, Dr. P.K. Singh, a renowned orthopedic surgeon and retired medical chief officer. We are truly honored to have you here with us today.
Thank you.
Sir, let's begin with your journey. Could you share with us what inspired you to become a doctor, especially in orthopedics?
I found if I become orthopedic surgeon, I have got lot of work to do for the human suffering and the person. In my interest is orthopedics because in day-to-day life we are seeing a lot of trauma cases in the society. So I just try the orthopedics to serve the people in the better way.
Wow, sir. Sir, can you explain what orthopedic treatment involves and what are some common issues you see in both young and elderly patients?
So orthopedics, if you divide in the two parts, one is the most emergency part is trauma. If the patient gets sustained trauma due to any cause, you require a treatment for him, for either by the surgery, either by the conservative management, or by the giving the medicine. Second, if a person suffering from the disease due to the bone, just like the backache and lot of things occurring in the body, so you have to treat also that type of patients.
Sir, can you tell me some common issues that you have seen in both young and elderly patients?
So in today, what is the scenario? You find that in the road there is a lot of traffic, and it is not well managed.
Yes.
People driving very rashly. I found a lot of accident is occurring due to the not following the laws of the traffic.
Yes.
And people get accident and a lot of trauma in the body leading to the fracture of the bones, head injury, and lot of things going on the roadside. Even the industry, we found a lot of accident is occurring due to the industrial change in our society. This cause our field to work and better serve the people who are suffer from this type of injury.
I see. Sir, my next question is that we often hear about bone related issues in young people. Sir, what are the key reasons behind these issues?
In young people, you are find with the very rare cases where you find the malnourishment and they are not taking proper diet which is required for the bone. So in such cases, people having the other problem like backache and having the fracture and lot of other bone diseases. But older people, it is due to the age and the aging process. It is the natural the patient getting the osteoporotic bone, and if they have got not proper treatment, they have the other problem also like pain in the leg and even in the long time they fall and have a sustained injury. Very small injury can cause fracture to their body.
Sir, you mentioned diet right now in your answer. My next question is about diet. What are the diet rules that we should maintain in our daily life to keep our bones and joints healthy?
So first thing is that it's a very interesting thing that we have got the free vitamins from the nature, that is sunlight. In the morning sunlight you get the free vitamins from our environment. Second, in diet you have to take rich protein and iron, calcium and little amount of the fat also.
Okay. Sir, many students sit for long hours for studying, for online classes. What posture should we maintain to avoid back and neck pain?
First thing that you try to maintain your posture. You should not be bent forwardly. You should not be very habitual to writing anything but down your neck. And if you have to work like in the computer, you have to work something which have to force to be down your neck. You do some exercise for that to counter your occupational problem, which will be very well neutralized by your doing the exercise.
So, if we are habitual to that postures, so what are some simple daily habits or exercises that we can follow so that we are
In school, you find lot of the physical work they are doing, and even then, if you have a chance to go and know the physiotherapy, when in physiotherapy they will tell how to do the posture to be maintained, what type of exercise you will do. You don't have the pain in the back, neck, and shoulder, and that can be very well be, I think, meet out by knowing the proper exercise, proper physiotherapy, and guidance.
okay? Sir, I would also love to know, what do you believe is the biggest lesson life and medicine have taught you?
Yeah, biggest thing is that you have got a tremendous and lot of scope to doing the and serving the human being, and you be must be honest for doing your job, and very I think attentive, very I think you are very I think sober, and you must care the people in larger they are suffering in their society that is poor.
Okay. So, we have many students listening to us, and many of them aspire to become doctors. So, what would be one piece of advice that you would like to give them?
No, I am not agree that every should become a doctor. Which field you have got interest, you do. Don't to be become a forceful inspiration by the any person. You must have a think in your inner heart what you time to become. Every field has got a scope. Every field has got a scope. Not a doctor, even engineer, psychologist, even become a teacher. Every field has got lot of scope.
Thank you so much, sir, for your sharing your journey, insights, and wisdom with us. It was truly a pleasure to know more about someone who has dedicated a lifetime to healing.
I am very thankful to you and your school and the participant like such a promising child, and hope you will have such type of queries for any time. I will be here to give answer to you.
And to our listeners, stay active, stay happy, and stay curious. This is Speak. The podcast from Sunbeam School, Balia. Till then, Jai Hind.